Jackson from Withlacoochee River Electric and Tonio Brocto, and we make up the system reliability team at Withlacoochee River Electric. Today we want to introduce you to some of the tools and things that we do. Some of the tools we use are a FLIR camera, a thermal camera, to help us see things thermally so that we can find bad areas on our line and hopefully remove them before it causes an outage. We also use what is called a drone. This is a DJI M30T drone with the thermal capabilities. We use both of these tools to not only find and identify, but hopefully get replaced before it becomes an outage, items on our line that are failing. We also get called to come and check line whenever the lights are blinking. We often find right-of-way and arresters causing the blinks. Main objective of the system reliability is to find and identify problems on our line, to remove them before outages, but also we look for all safety items, whether it's a pole that is rotten or equipment about to fall off poles, loose bolts that cause noise interference. We also look for right-of-way issues, dead trees hanging over the line, and vines growing up the poles. We also, with our thermal capabilities, we find bad connections, bad arresters, bad switches. Some of the things we find in system reliability are bad connections like this one, where the connector itself got hot, and we found it with the thermal cameras. Crews made the on scene, made repairs, and everything was good to go. The arrestor that I'm showing you here this is not how one is supposed to look. This one got evidently way too hot and exploded. But these are the types of items we try to find with the thermal cameras. So we inspect every circuit twice a year, every substation, like the one behind us, 4 times a year. We do our transmission line twice a year, and we're also working on taps as we can to try to deliver a more reliable service to our consumers.